Hi guys, welcome back to our video. We're going to see the Ada tree today. There's a bunch of bunny footprints.
Is that?
This is the Ada tree. So big. I'm speechless.
You're speechless?
Speechless?
This goes to show you how tiny we are, doesn't it?
I feel so small.
Roots. Roots as big as you.
Roots as big as a casual tree.
Lay down on there. Roots bigger than you.
Comfy.
Is that?
Can we camp here?
No.